So, hello everyone, welcome back again to Cyberpod Lab, where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking and much more. Now, in this video, we are going to see that how we can find vulnerable devices on the internet with the help of one of the extensions, and we have already uploaded this extensions video if you are aware about it, that we have uploaded extensions like Shodan, weaponizers, what they can do. But in this video, we are going to talk about just Shodan, and with the help of Shodan, how you can find the vulnerable devices on the internet like the Android devices, desktops or the vulnerable services ports. Okay, so without wasting time, we will jump to this video. And one more thing before moving ahead guys, let me clearly tell you one thing, that this video is only for the educational purpose, that you can improve your skills by doing all these things, but I will never recommend you to perform any attacks. It can be dangerous for you or for your system also. So this video is only for the educational and to learn all these things. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, what you have to do, you just have to come to your any browser like Firefox, Chrome, whatever you are using, and once you will come, you just have to open the Shodan. And right now I have the membership account, but it doesn't really require that you need to be a membership only, because I'm going to show you both the attacks in different. Right now if you can see my this account, so there is no membership, the account level is free, and this one is a membership one. So what I'm going to do now in this video, I'm going to use the Shodan search filters to finalize all the vulnerable devices on the internet related to the Android only. Okay, and same filters, like same methods you can use to find out the other results. So let's come back here, Shodan, and I will just go to the search, and here I want to find out how many devices are available on the internet related to the Android. So for that I'm going to use the search filters port 5555, which is the ADB ports product is to Android, because we are looking just for the Android devices, right? And now if I just click on this, so here you can see these are the devices which are available and how you can access them. We are going to see that also, but right now let me show you. This was my membership account, and now if I'll do the same thing over here on the free account, okay, where I don't have any membership, so you will going to get the same results. So right now you can see all this data. So those who are saying that we need the membership account of the Shodan, that's all lie. You can search all this thing with a free account also. Let's come to the topic again. Now here you can see that there are multiple IPs are available over here, and in the right hand side you can see they are saying that Android debugs breach ADB authentication is required. Authentication is required, which means to access these devices you need authentication and also see from which country they belong, like China, Korea, Republic. But if you see this one, Android debug breach ADB, name, the device of the name is this, model is this, and this is the device, and where from it is from Paragon Ashokian, which means we can authenticate this device without any authentication. But as I told you in the beginning only guys, I will never recommend you to perform any attacks on such devices which you are not authorized to. I'm just going to show you how exactly it works. So I'll simply open my terminal. Let me like resize it so you can see properly. Okay, so for that either you can use the ADB services or the PhoneSploit Pro. So right now I'm going to use the PhoneSploit Pro. I already have that. You can find out the PhoneSploit Pro on the GitHub, and if you don't know how to, you can just go in my description and you will get the link of this. Okay, the process is very easy to install it. You can just get from this like zip file in your system, and you will get all these options like list all devices, send SMS, everything. So right now we have this IP which you don't require any authentication. So let's just confirm Python 3. My bad. It's asking me, do you still want to continue to the PhoneSploit Pro? It's saying that you don't have this required software. Okay, so let me say this, yes, I don't want that. And now you can see we have all these options which we can use to connect the device, to locate the device, to install any APK. So I'm just going to use the first option to connect with the device, and now it's asking me the target, and it's giving the example. So for this case we have this target, and if it will connect it, and we will get the shell, which means we have successfully entered into this device. So let's go, and done. Here you can see we have connected to the device. Let's see how many devices are connected, and done. Can you see this? 181, 127, 73, 179. Now why it's possible? Because there is no authentication applied on this device, which means anyone can connect on this device with the help of PhoneSploit or ADB services. Now the next option, if we confirm that we can take the shell access also, then this device is fully compromised. So let's use only option number 14, and boom. Can you see? Now we are inside the PWD file check. Here you can see we are inside the root directory. If I want to go for the SD card, okay, there is no SD card. Here you can see we have all this access like bin, cache, SSH, SD card. Okay, so there is a SD card. I will just go into the SD card. That's it. We are inside the SD card, and we have all these files, DCIM, downloads, movies, etc. So that's it. I'm not going to explore anymore, but I hope you can understand that how you can use the Shodan search filters to find out such vulnerable devices on the internet. And now it does not stick with Android. You can find out many other devices, like if there is any CV recently came out, you can just go and search for that CV also, and you can look how many devices are vulnerable on the internet related to that CV. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, if you love this video, and if you found that this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe, share, like for such more videos.